Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Tourbox sent me this device to test out and see how I would use it in my digital illustration workflow. It's basically a controller device for creators. When I am using a tablet with my right hand, usually my left hand is on the keyboard doing all kinds of stuff like redo, undo, zoom in and out, and the Alt key for color picking. So the question is that, can this little device replace the keyboard for me while I'm painting? Let's find out. But before that, if you're interested in content related to art and illustration and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. Alright then, let's do this. So first things first, let's talk about what's in the box. The box comes with the Tourbox unit wrapped in a nice black pouch and a black braided cable to connect it to your laptop or computer. It also comes with an instruction manual, but we don't really need that because it's pretty simple to set up. You just plug one end of the cable into the controller and the other end to the laptop or PC. Alright, so the build quality is really nice. The material has a matte finish and the surface kind of feels rubbery, if that makes sense. It has some friction maybe so that your hand can sit comfortably on top of the device. Another thing that I noticed is that the controller has got some weight to it. It doesn't seem very light and cheap because it's neither light nor cheap. So there are all kinds of buttons, knobs and scroll wheels on this thing, and basically everything is customizable. So I can assign these buttons and knobs to any function that I like. It's pretty cool. But for that, we'll need to download the software for Tourbox. I'll go to their website, download the software, and then come back. And I'm back with the software. On the left side here, we'll have the list of presets. You can create your own presets for any program that you like. So I can create separate presets for Photoshop and for Clip Studio Paint, for instance. There's an auto switch button on the top. It basically detects which software you're in and it changes the shortcuts or the settings according to that. Now you can either create your own presets or you can download pre-made presets for different softwares like Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere Pro, and many others. If you're feeling lazy and don't want to customize all the keys yourself, just head over to their website and download those presets. On the right side here, we'll have the preset settings, so it's a list of all the buttons and functions for this specific application or program. So how do I customize these buttons? Well, if I click a button on the controller, it automatically detects it in the software. That's pretty useful because then you don't have to find out each button here on the software. Now I'll go ahead and customize the keys according to my use in Photoshop and then I'll get back. Okay, I'm back. Everything is customized. Now let me show you my settings. On the right corner here, there's a short button and a long button. The short button is for the Alt key, which I use for color picking and stuff. And the long button is for spacebar, which I use for panning the canvas while drawing. Then we have these little round buttons on the top. One is for undo, the other is for redo. Then comes the central knob right here, which I have set to the brush size so I can rotate it to increase or decrease the brush size. Also, this one just right below the knob is for saving the document. Down here we have the D-pad with 4 buttons. They are for rotation, lasso tool, copying and pasting. The top button is for switching between the brush tool and the eraser tool. So if I press it once, I get the brush tool, and if I press it twice, I get the eraser tool. How convenient. Finally, on the left side we have this big dial which I am using for zooming in and out of the canvas. For the other buttons, I don't really care because first I want my hand to rest over here, and second, I don't really use other tools while painting. This is pretty much it. So let's talk about how it feels in the hand. So I rest my hand here. It sits comfortably here with my thumb having the access of these 2 buttons that I use the most while painting, and with my thumb and finger I can rotate this knob easily. I'm not sure how to navigate these buttons on the left side. I don't really feel too comfortable with these, or am I doing it wrong? I don't know. Now I'll use this device along with my tablet and try to create a quick speed paint. Let's do this. So here are my final thoughts. It's a really nice and handy device. Can it replace a keyboard while you're creating digital art? Totally, and for several reasons. First, it takes up less space and fits perfectly at the side of your tablet. Second, I feel like knobs and scrolls generally feel nicer to use than buttons. Third, you can use this device and its functions without having the need to look at it. But as a casual or beginner digital painter, do you absolutely need it? No, I don't think so. You can either use a keyboard or the customizable buttons that come with your tablet. But if you want to save up some space and want to create a quicker workflow, this might be for you. So if you want to check it out, I have put a link in the description for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and a comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever the new video is out. Alright, I'll see you guys in another one. Take care. Bye.